We're Banana Dunkers, Cameron and Alex, and this is our part 2.
First dunk.
Failures. Next is Alex doing a fail.
Ow. Butthole. Give me this.
Okay, now I'm doing my second dunk. It's called the spinner. This is Alex's second dunk.
This is called the wall smasher. Ow. Yeah. Here's Cameron's final one.
It's called the Ninja Star. Alex's second.
The double wall.
This video has been made by the Banana Dunkers.